Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with AC, and I'm back at Knott's Berry Farm, and I'm starting things off here at the Knott's Hotel. A month ago, I was checking in on the pool renovation, and they had drained the pool, and they were redoing all the plaster in there, and just wanted to come back and see how it's looking. So let's go look at that. But before I head to the pool, I just wanted to show you these really cute Halloween decorations in this plaza at the hotel. Got Ghost Rider in the background there, making some noise. That's why they put that tunnel or that canopy on the first drop there to help with some sound, but it's still pretty loud over here. Anyway, I'm guessing they're using this for some sort of event here at the hotel. I'm not sure what, or maybe it's just a photo op. Do not climb on the props. Come on, kids. Okay, gonna go over to the pool now. The pool is still closed, but there's water in there, so I'm guessing it's gonna get reopened pretty soon. And also that play structure that I was hoping they were gonna completely replace with something better themed, they just painted it from yellow to blue. Kind of reminds me of the Six Flags blue that everything got painted at Magic Mountain, where they just love that blue. But it looks nice, just wish it was a new structure. Really nice over here. Let's talk about this preferred parking for a second. So when they added it, I was wondering why they would add a preferred parking lot that is further from the gate than the main parking lot across from Beach Boulevard. And somebody told me, they said, oh no, this is actually closer. Well, I counted my steps from the edge of the main parking lot to the crosswalk that goes across the street here by the chicken dinner restaurant. And then I counted my steps from that point all the way over to the edge of this preferred parking lot. And the preferred parking lot is an additional 35 steps. And for that, you pay an extra $15. I don't get it. Anyway, let's go inside the park. Starting things off here at Montezooma's Revenge. Look at that. Where we have the forward spike, it's still under a big tarp, and so curious what that's going to look like when they remove it, what they've done. I know they were probably sandblasting and removing some of the old paint from the supports that were left. And oh, look at that. How's that for timing? Let's head over to the other side. Nothing new with the loop or the launch section of Montezooma's Revenge. It's still under this giant tarp. The station looks very much the same. However, through the trees there, they got up all the scaffolding and the tarp on the back spike. When I was here a couple weeks ago, that scaffolding had just started to go up. Let's head over there and get a closer look. The new Huff and Puff game added a yellow shade structure, and it's looking like a merch booth for the San Diego Padres. I guess at this game, everybody's a loser. Here we are with that covered back spike, which goes over the off-road rally ride. And you can also see where they had to cut back some of those tree branches in order to get the scaffolding in there, which is unfortunate, but it'll grow back. Let's head around this way. Ooh, look. You can actually see inside, and just a minute ago I was hearing some banging in there, so they're working. This is great. It wouldn't be a proper Montezooma's Revenge update without taking a peek through this hole here. Let's look. And oh, hey, look. There's some tree branches that they cut off, but can't really see much, just a tarp. And then down here at the station, yeah, you can hear banging in there. Be quiet. Then it stopped. That cup is up there, so I guess somebody just forgot about it. They're watching my videos and they're just leaving it up there. Yeah, I don't see anybody in the station working, but it looks like they've been doing some work in there. Yeah, I can hear a grinder in the station behind that tarp there. So that's great news. I'm gonna go inside the Jaguar exit and get another peek. With all those openings in the tarp, I'm guessing whatever work they're doing isn't involving those hazardous materials anymore, because it would be completely sealed and they would still have all of that ventilation equipment attached to it. Anyway, this is what it's looking like from Jaguar's exit, and I'll show the tarp that extends all the way down here. Looks the same as it's looked for a while. Well, this is Montezooma's revenge. I cannot wait for them to get this thing reopened. Accelerator is open, and that is great to see. When I was here on Sunday with some family, I wasn't vlogging, but yeah, the ride didn't open until about 1 in the afternoon. And I heard that it was having some issues in the days prior. Hopefully this isn't something that's going to be problematic for a long time. And speaking of closures, Hang Time is closed today. And also, when I was here on Sunday, it got stuck on the lift for at least 10 minutes and they had to reverse it off the lift. I'm guessing maybe that's why it's down now, not sure, but a lot of maintenance things here at Knott's Berry Farm, unfortunately. For the Halloween season, the Calico Mine Ride has been rethemed to the Calico Candy Mine Ride. And when I was here on Sunday with family, we rode it and I thought it was hilarious. So I want to show you. Let's go ride.
Something strange is happening here, folks. silver. I got more than one sweet tooth, let me tell you.
Folks, looks like we just barely made it out of that one thanks to my sweet, sweet driving. Hope you guys found a big old basketball-sized jawbreaker to munch on. Once you find yourselves at a full complete stop, y'all can stand on up, lift up on that wooden bench in the corner of your car. I'll come unlatch that door for you, so please don't hop over or grab those latches. Thanks for riding with us, folks. Have a great rest of your day here in the spooky old town of Calico.
Not gonna lie, I like that more than the original. The music, and then all the miners in there talking about getting their sweet, sweet candy. It reminds me of Kingdom of the Dinosaurs, where the scientist was like, oh no, my time machine. Anyway, they should just keep it like this. It's so good. Look at this. It's a station wait for Ghost Rider. This is incredible. I need to come during the middle of the week more often. Love this. What an incredible ride. I never get tired of Ghost Rider. Definitely one of the best wooden coasters in the entire country. Much better than Apocalypse, which I rode on Monday, and that thing is so rough. It used to be pretty good when it was new. Anyway, let's ride more. It looks like Mrs. Murphy's Kitchen is finally open, just not open today. Over here, where the patio is, you can peek in and see what it looks like. So I'll just come over here and show you the inside. I'm just looking at it a second ago, and it looks pretty nice in here. Let's see. Yeah. Nice place to sit down and eat. I love that Knott's Berry Farm has so many options that are indoors in the AC. Time for some Silver Bullet, which always has a pretty short line. When I was here on Sunday, it was pretty much walk on, and that twin Accelerator and Ghost Rider were all hour-long lines. Silver Bullet is running great, especially the Helix. My feet were tingling, and I don't remember that ever happening before. Is it really possible that a coaster can get faster the older it is? Maybe it's just me getting older. Anyway, great ride. It's also a station wait on Accelerator. This is incredible. And what do you guys think about the new paint job? Some people love it, and some people hate it. I think it looks pretty darn good.
Have a blast. Goodbye.
Just rode front row on Accelerator with my friend Leandro, who's here all the way from Brazil. He's been following ACN since we were a website back in 2001. It was his first time on Accelerator, and he was blown away. Like everything here, such a good ride, but Accelerator is definitely one of my favorites. Anyway, that's going to do it for the update. Thank you very much for watching. And if you're a fan of all this kind of content and these updates, please consider subscribing. Helps me out a lot. Until next time, all right, bye.